Bienvenue dans la chaîne Nabiso Anglais facile topé Lingala to English. Alors, le lot le bela was na where, was and where, was and where. Barobi, was and where are past of be. Dans les verbes passés, il y a verbe être. Alors, na Lingala, na Oloba, was na where, eza kozala na passé. Donc, verbe être na passé. Sans plus tarder, on commence avec was. Was, il y a moyen de se traduire directement en français comme étant était, topé na Lingala, azalaki, ou bien kozala. Parce que le temps azalaki na conjugaison déjà Lingala. Alors, was, eza kozala na passé. Bah, utiliser un mot pona. On va utiliser was seulement si on veut utiliser bah, sujet E. I, topé G na français, topé na. Na Lingala na, topé ngai. He, il na français, topé ye ou bien a na Lingala. She, elle, topé ye, topé a as well. Et puis it. Il y a un e. Mais c'est bien it na anglais, bah utilisons pour un objet ou bien animal, situation quelconque, ou bien temps, ou bien météo. Par exemple, sur les ambois, on va utiliser verbe dans le passé. It was a dog, Oloba. Oloba. It was a dog. On utiliser she, on utiliser he, on utiliser I parce que c'est un animal. Alors, ok, example. I was busy yesterday. I was busy yesterday. Pour la phonétique, na biso so ngolo bangol, eza logo loba W O Z. Was. I was busy yesterday. Nazalaki occupé lobby. Nazalaki occupé lobby. Donc, la minute autant to conjuguer na c'est que I amone okoma na et amone zana siko zalaki was. La conjugaison nazalaki occupé. I was busy yesterday. Nazalaki occupé lobby. Next, she was at home. She was at home. She was at home. Azalaki nanda comme she a bobi ke tolo bela mwana mwasi bien eza féminin. She was at home. Oh no, where was your sister yesterday? Oh, my sister, she was at home. Ndekona azaki wapi? Ndekona mwasi azaki wapi lobi? Ndekona nga azaki nanda. She was at home. He was hungry. Azalaki nanzala. He was hungry. Azalaki nanzala. On va utiliser where they quand il s'agit de I, he, she, it. Okoloba it were they, okoloba she were they, okoloba he were they, okoloba I were they. Okoloba I was, he was, she was, it was. Alors, he was hungry. Azalaki nanzala. Alors, vous savez en commentaire, phrase sur l'accent. Phrase à liboso. Beatrice was crying while praying yesterday. 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 Bref, ça a un commentaire sur l'accent. Alors, deuxième phrase. It was Frisette's dog who made a mess here. It was Frisette's dog who made a mess here. Bon, moi, n'essaie de it to utiliser un pour animal, objet, situation. Mais Frisette eza komba moto. Frisette mbemba komba moto. Mais it oyo, it was oyo eza en fonction ya dog. It was Frisette's dog. Tout comme na ngaloba, it was a dog. Mais est-ce que le roi dog wana za na mkoro nango? To tie Frisette na li boso. It was Frisette's dog who made a mess here. Alors, vous voyez, ça m'a dit dans les commentaires ceux qui l'ont signé. It was Frisette's dog who made a mess here. It was Frisette's dog who made a mess here. Alors, vous voyez, ça dans les commentaires ceux qui l'ont signé. Alors, deuxièmement, c'est quoi where? Tout le bela was, c'est quoi tout le bela where? Where, il y a un peu cause on a passé, mais on utilise mon cas pour un sujet you, we, they. You, we, they. You, we, they. Alors, you, il y a un les tu, topé, vous, et au mot et dépend du contexte et cause là, toi. Comment est-ce qu'on est en train d'utiliser ça? Il y en a faut côté attention la phrase somme sur la yoka. You, il y en a tu, il y en a vous, na lingala et ozala, o, topé, yo, topé, bino. Alors, oui, il y a nous en français, biso na lingala, or, to, na lingala, to. They, il y a il au pluriel, et puis elle au pluriel, mais, na lingala, bango, tope ba. Donc, quand tu utilises ça, au utiliser where. C'est comme ça qu'on conjugue en global was there. En global you was there. Quand bien même qu'aujourd'hui, na slang, oyo kabatu ba you was. Slang, ya wana nini, argot, hein, na argot. Ya wana, na argot ba utiliser you was. Mais na anglais normal, classique, au global you was there. You were. Examples. You were late. You were late. You were late. You were late. Werte, hein? Biso ba francophone, tous en tendance à le were. You were. You were. Te. Na anglais, wane royo kanate. You were. Et alors quoi, attends, ma lo banozong ça. Pendant le were, et puis maintenant r wana na e. Na ozongisa lolem na nga na kati yango epesa son oyo you were you were you were you were you were like tant na ozongisa ni lolem na kati na albani na bini ensemble et loa arc you were you were late were late ozalaki na retard mo na sibino you o yango na siko o ozalaki were ozala na passé ozalaki na retard you were late ozalaki na retard we were at work tozalaki na musala we were at work tozalaki na musala where boka nena loba where na ngana loba where te hein? We were at work tozalaki na musala They were happy. They were happy. Mat mi ba an tendance à lo ba they. 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 T-H-A Y is that they, te me they. They were they. Okay. They were happy. They were happy. Bazalaki na esengo. They na isibino yangwana ba tope bango yangwana ekomi awa bazalaki na esengo. Alors vous voyez ça dans le commentaire ba phrase oyo so elaxine. You were loud. So Chiamaka left. You were loud. So Shamaka left. You were loud. You were loud. So Shamaka left. Deuxième phrase. We were at school when Tubi arrived. We were at school when Tubi arrived. Tubi, Christian Tubi na Charlotte, hein? Christian Tubi, topé la commission. We were at school when Christian Tubi arrived. We were at school when Tubi arrived. They were dancing with joy and excitement at Madu's wedding party. They were dancing with joy and excitement at Madu's wedding party. They were dancing with joy and excitement at Madu's wedding party. Bon, ça va en commentaire, ceux qui phrase on est vacciné. Alors, avant tout ça, tolobeli yango, tolobeli was na where. Ce que soro ngo utiliser en forme négative, oloba nini? Negative. Na was, I was, so ngo bozalaki te. I was nazalaki, so ngo bozalaki te. Oloba I was not. I was not. Topé so ngo loba ngo na forme contractée. Oloba I wasn't. Omoni was et alors on a l'ongoli oo et na t apostrophe a et puis na sanisi ensemble I wasn't. I et comme lokola oyo et comme lokola bon tout ça on a phonétique et nous on le I wasn't. I wasn't. Juste pour nous aider à l'année en loba. I wasn't. I wasn't. He was not. N'engue mo peka. He wasn't. She was not. She wasn't. Pona where to loba. A to be you were. A o comme ça. You were not. You were not. You were not. Tope. You weren't. You weren't. You weren't. They were not. We were not. We were not. We weren't. You were not. They were not. They weren't. Alors, merci d'enrôler biso robo sanate à ko aimer, liker, partager vidéo et puis pour s'abonner à la chaîne YouTube et puis TikTok na biso. So les ambano liboso ça a besoin avec l'anglais on à partir de l'épisode 1 si un épisode 32 au moins à cause capable de mener conversation en anglais. Alors see you à la prochaine. Goodbye.